Today, we're going to show you how to deposit to online casinos using the MuchBetter app. You can deposit and withdraw funds at several popular merchants, including PokerStars, Betway, 888, Betfair, and many more. Here's the process. First, open the MuchBetter app and add money to your account by tapping the Top Up button from the Quick Links tab. Choose the amount you want to add, click the orange Top Up button, and select one of the 3 payment methods. For regulatory reasons, the app will ask you the purpose of your deposit when you top up with a card. In our case, choose gaming for casino, poker, gaming, and betting sites. After that, fill out your card details and your balance will be updated. Now it's time to deposit money to an online casino. For this example, we're going to use 888 Casino. Log into the site, enter their cashier or checkout screen, and select MuchBetter as a deposit method. Choose the amount that you want to add to your bankroll and make sure to enter the correct phone number in the correct format, or the process will not work. Enter the phone number in this form. Once you have initiated the deposit, you will receive a request in your MuchBetter app that you need to approve. If there is a sufficient balance on your MuchBetter account, you can approve the transaction. If not, you can make a top-up to add funds to MuchBetter while your gaming transaction remains pending. Once your top-up is applied, you can come back and finish the pending transaction to the merchant. That's it. Now you can enjoy your favorite games at your favorite online casinos.